Si Robin hindi nagpunta sa Senado para magpayaman. Hindi. He is not greedy. He is not hungry for power. Si Robin nandito to serve. Yun ang sigurado ako, 100%. If, for example, palarin kami and he does win and he becomes a senator, if ever magkaroon ng next race, ako na mismo, sasabihin ko, wag yun ang iboto kasi walang nagawa. Pero sure ako 100%, si Robin may magagawa. Because ang dami niya na ring pinagdaanan, so alam niya na kung ano yung kailangan ng mga Pilipino. Nakaikot na siya sa buong Pilipinas. Umabot pa nga siya sa West Philippine Sea, di ba? So yung platform niya, yung gusto niyang gawin sa Senado, based dun sa mga nakikita niya na kailangan natin. Ano-ano ba yung mga platform niya? Poverty, federalism, workers' rights, and social justice, and how it is good for the country. He supported the Bangsamoro Organic Law. He served as the face of modernization of agriculture in the Philippines. He built therapeutic centers against drugs sa National Bilibid Prison and awarded by the National Drugs Board. He organized peace talks since he has been organizing since 2013, especially for the Sulu Youth Empowerment. He conducted relief operations. Una pa, wala pa lahat-lahat yan. Si Robin na una na sa pagtulong. He is a Mindanao peace advocate, peace exemplar of Act for Peace program of the United Nations Development Program of the Philippines. He organized Tindig Marawi program noong 2017. Meron siyang liwanag ng Kapayapaan Foundation. He is the founder. Tumatayo balahibo ko right now. I'm not kidding. He's going to continue the platforms of PRRD, federalism, and the Foreign Act investment. Ito pa, gusto niya magkaroon ng proper education for farmers, ang modernization of agriculture, and siguro